Okay, so for this workshop, we're going to talk about blueprints and kind of like your project design and your project planning. When you come up with an idea of what you want to do, you need to kind of, draw it out to get like an overall idea. For sculpture, you need to think about the front, the back, the top, the bottom, all different sides. It's not like a drawing where you see it one side, okay, it's 2D. You need to do it as 3D. So let's say I wanted to create a doll. That's what I kind of want to do. I want to do a doll on, let's see, person. I think I want her to have like kind of like long hair in a way. You're like, what does that look like? Okay, well, this is kind of what I want to do. All right, I want to do her head. I'm going to have her in maybe like a simple dress. Okay, I want her to have long hair. So that's the front. And when you're looking at this from the back, okay, her dress, and then she'll have her hair. Okay, kind of coming down. So this is the front, this is the back, all right? And this is where you want to get all the little details, all right? You can definitely add on later, which is perfect, fantastic. As you start, looking at some of the supplies, and you might be like, oh, I really want to put on that. That's absolutely fine. But your structure, okay? You need to kind of start thinking about how am I going to get this to be this shape, okay? So, the blueprint. This is like an x-ray in a way, this. How am I going to get this, all right? I can actually see, now I'm going to be given a supply. Maybe I might say, you know what, this bottom, I could see that I could put a cup there, okay? I can, right in here, take a ball of newspaper, tape it down, all right? Here I might say, you know what, I'm going to take a wooden popsicle stick, kind of put it up so it's staying up. I can put it into the cup and maybe hot glue it and say, oh, you know what, that's good. And put maybe something up here for the head, all right? So I kind of have like this shape happening here, all right, of what I want to do. Now, the actual hair, now how I could do that, I might say, well, I'm not sure how I can get the shape of the hair, but wait a minute, you know what? I could take long pieces of newspaper and just make it flat sections. So it kind of looks like hair coming out. Yeah, that works. All right, and then I would tape this all together because I know that I was going to do. I'd be like, I'm okay with this. I'm going to paper mache this, and I want to, I'm going to wrap everything. Now, I could go totally opposite. I could be like, I don't think I want a paper mache, but I want to create something really cool. So I'm going to flip this over. Maybe I might do something similar where I take my cup and I cover it with different fabric or different forms of, let's see, of paper, okay? I could do that. Then I can create out of wire, all right, a top of this, all right? And then maybe have like a silhouette of a head, create like a face. And then for the hair, I might just put, just string or ribbon or something like that, okay? And I didn't do anything with paper mache, but I need to come up with the plan, okay? The plan is the most important thing, because the plan, if you don't have it, it's just making, you'll be able to, have more opportunities where you're going to be sitting around the third day in going, I don't know what to do, okay? The structure and your plans are most important because it gives you that direction. It gives you that opportunity to have a final, finished, beautiful project, okay? Just a heads up, I do have lots of different materials, okay? I have materials out, but you have to ask me first, okay? I'm not holding out everything. Just ask. Say, hey, do you have doilies? Yes, I do have doilies. Do you have ribbon? I do have ribbon. Do you have possible buttons? I do have a whole bunch of buttons as well, okay? Just ask and I might have it. All right, and that's it with this workshop. When you're finished with, just playing around with coming up with structures, make sure that you've answered all the questions in your guidebook and you're able to kind of start working on your project and designing it.